lightning lane.
Hey, who are these people?
I think they're survivors from the last trip.
You're not supposed to bring them back.
Now don't we welcome everybody to the world famous Jungle Cruise! That is what I like to hear. My name is Skipper Michael and I will be your tour guide on this adventure around the world today. And if you don't like my jokes, I'll also be your swimming instructor. We're starting off in the Amazon rainforest on the Amazon River. If you guys look around to both sides of the boat, you might be able to see some giant butterflies hiding. Now these insects are truly impressive because they can have a wingspan ranging from 1 foot to a whopping 12 inches. Can you guys believe that? That's why we call them the rulers of the jungle. Monarchs, am I right? Right over here we have Inspiration Falls. If you're wondering why it's called Inspiration Falls, I'll tell you why. It's because it inspires usually sensible people to get into my boat and go deep in the jungle at night. I don't really get it either, but yeah, here we are. Everybody say, ooh. Everybody say, ah. Everybody say, Skipper Michael, please don't crash the boat. Guys, I'm just kidding. I would never make you say that, because I never make promises. And just like that, we are already entering our second river of this journey. Welcome to Africa, everybody. We are here on the Congo River, so we're going to see how far this boat can go. Up ahead, that little shack, we have Boats and Baits and Bites, your one-stop shop for all your food needs here in the jungle. Is anyone hungry? Good, we can stop for some food. I heard the prawn here is really good for a quick bite. These boats on the shore are able to be rented. They are the second fastest boats in the world. The one you're sitting in right now, not to brag. The third fastest. Ooh, looks like wrapped up in this tree we have a giant snake. I'm pretty sure you guys know what this is called. It starts with a P. Everyone say it with me. Plastic. All right. And now we're going to be entering Banana County, so please keep your eyes peeled because we might need to split. And oh, look at what they've done. They left the lights on my truck. I'm never going to get my engine to turn over now. Well, it looks like the apes are calling the shots around here, so let's skedaddle. If you guys look over in that cave, you will see nothing. Sorry, guys. Budget cuts. And just like that, we are on our third river of this journey. Welcome everybody to the Nile River. Now this river goes on for Niles. And Niles. And Niles. 4,000 to be exact, but don't worry. I know a shortcut, so it's only going to feel like 4 minutes. Right over here, we have an African bull elephant. Fun fact about these guys, they actually have the best memory in the world. I wish I had the memory of an elephant. It'd probably help with my job. And look over here, we have an African bull elephant. You know, fun fact about those guys, they actually have the best memories in the world. I wish I had the memory of an elephant. It would probably help with my job. And now here we are on the African belt where you can see plenty of wildlife. So let me go ahead and name some off for you. We have bearded horses, long-necked horses. Up there we got some horned horses and some non-horned horses. Oh, and over here, we have a pride of lions feasting on their dinner with their cleanup crew, the vultures, waiting for their share. This just goes to show the #1 rule of the animal kingdom. Never be a zebra. Trust me, I've made that mistake once or twice before. It is a mess. Coming around this bend, ooh, yikes. If you guys look up ahead, you'll see absolutely nothing. Did you guys say you didn't see this? I don't have to do any paperwork, so let's keep this between you and me. Right there at the bottom, we have Skipper Felix. It was actually his first day today. And probably his last. Yeah, we told him to stay inside the boat, but I'm sure he's going to get the point at the end now. And now we're entering Crocodile County. Up ahead, you might be able to see some lounging on the beach. There they are. Right there, we have old Smiley. He's a good boy. It's his girlfriend, Ginger, you got to worry about, okay? She is one tough cookie. Ginger snaps. Yeah, she can be a bit crummy. And now if you guys look out to the front of the boat, you'll see one of the most beautiful sights you've ever seen. Oh, and look at that. Behind me is a waterfall. This is the amazing Schweitzer Falls, named after our founder and famous explorer, Dr. Albert Walt. Feel that refreshing spray. If anyone has any questions about that waterfall, don't worry. We'll go over it later. On this side of the boat, hidden among the bushes, it might be a little hard to see in the dark, but we have the famous airplane, the Hathaway Brown. Yeah, we actually got this plane for a steal. It was half off. Can you believe it? All that couponing I've done has really paid off. This just goes to show that the hardest thing about learning to fly a plane is, well, the ground. If you guys blame me, it was my first day of flight school. Come on, everyone makes mistakes. Ooh, looks like we're entering a hippo pool here. These guys can be pretty dangerous. Today alone, out of the 7 boats I've driven, they have sunk in 6.5 of them. Oh, hey, look! There's the other half. I guess that makes 7. I mean, it could be worse. Oh no, actually this is the worst. Let's get out of here. You know, people are always telling me, Skipper Michael, your job is so easy. I bet a monkey could do it. First off, I say, guys, right, I have feelings too. Second off, I say, please show me a monkey that can do what I do. Come on now. Well, this is awkward. Monkey for me, those are chimpanzees. Yeah, I would tell you guys the difference between a monkey and a chimpanzee, but I do not have the time to get into it right now. It is a really long tail. On this corner, we have the world's largest collection of rare insects, and it also appears to be the tastiest collection of rare insects. Just goes to show the science of metamorphosis, from caterpillar to butterfly to snack. Alright, I know this is the moment a lot of you guys have been waiting for. Can I get a drum roll, please, everybody? It's the amazing, it's spectacular, eighth wonder of the world. The backside of water! Chant it with me, everybody! O-2-H! 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 Guys, I'm feeling the chemistry in this zone. I don't know about you guys. It's on the Mekong River, and no matter how many times I sail through here, these temple rooms are always Mekong mean. We're about to go into this temple in just a second. We're going to see some big tigers. These guys can jump up to 20 feet away. Luckily for us, we'll be about 3 feet away from them, so if it comes to it, they'll jump right over us, don't worry. You never know what you're going to see in here, so please keep your eyes open. Meanwhile, I'm kind of scared. I'm going to keep mine closed. Hey, better than my last bow. Alright guys, we are now in the sacred bathing pool of the Indian elephant. Feel free to take pictures, folks. Don't be shy. They got their trunks on today. Up there showering in the falls, we have Bertha. Fun fact, that is actually what happens when you shower for too long. You turn into an elephant. I would know. Guys, come on, I'm just kidding. I would never shower. These guys are so mischievous, always trying to spray the boat. I know you guys think it's water, but it's not. Yeah, we try and stay out of here as much as possible, because if these guys spray too much water in the boat, it actually sinks. Raise your hand if you believe that the captain should go down with the boat if it sinks. Oh, you're pretty quick to raise your hand. What's your name here? Tony. Everybody, this is our volunteer captain, Tony. If the boat goes down, he will be the one going down with it. Thank you. I was not trying to do that. All right, it looks like we're nearing the end of our Jungle Cruise adventure. And you want to know how I know it's the end? Because that's how all good rides end, with the gift shop. Get out your wallets, everybody. Right here we have Trader Sam's gift shop, your stuff for all your jungle souvenirs. It actually looks like Trader Sam stepped out for a second. He's probably just going to collect more stock. You guys would not believe how many people just leave stuff in strollers on the sidewalk here. It's crazy. Yeah, we need to be more specific when it comes to our help wanted sign. Those guys are just monkeying around. And guys, look over here. We have a baby elephant. You know, fun fact about elephants, they actually have the best memory in the world. I wish I had the memory of an elephant. It would probably help my job. Alright guys, once again, for your safety, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And parents, please supervise your children. Alright. Even if it seems like we can't do a complete stop, please don't move just yet. This here boat is a wild one, and she likes to get away, so we're going to lasso her up real quick. We're going to get this rope right on the back of that boat.